Do you constantly run into errors like this? Like this error I'm having on screen when you try to actually build your Android Studio project. You have immutable workspace content that has been modified and you don't know why you constantly run into this error. And you've tried numbers of solutions and this is not working. Actually, this happens when you upgrade your project to the newer version of Gradle. The newer version of Gradle is always actually giving this error. And to actually fix this, there are a few ways to actually go about this. It's either you downgrade your Gradle version and you have to change a lot of dependency and a lot of things in your settings, or you actually go through this workspace, this resolution I'll be giving in this video. All right, so this is the first thing I tried. When I came across this error, I tried zipping this folder that is in question, which is this folder here. I tried creating a zip version of this folder, which I know in any way it cannot be modified. So once I run into this error, I uncompress that folder and replace it with the existing one. But this does not solve my problem, like for real. The next thing I actually did was to restrict permission to this folder such that even the administrative account cannot perform any action on this. Then that does not work as well. So then I find out that for every time you want to launch your Android Studio project, you have to make sure that your antivirus is completely turned off. If you can do this, it will actually doing this makes this file retain its initial state. So I found out that it's my antivirus that is actually changing this folder, modifying this folder in the background for each time I launch Android Studio. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have turned off all of your antivirus, and in that way you won't have this error throughout your coding. So before you actually start Android Studio, make sure that you have turned off your antivirus or your antivirus program, all of the antivirus program that you have there, so that you don't have this error. All right, then the second way to go about doing this is that make sure that before you start this project at all, or before you start any project at all, go to the affected folder and make sure that you have deleted this folder already. So the moment you delete this folder already and you close Android Studio, by the time you rerun or you start this Android Studio program again, you won't have the error because it will be forced to create that folder that is being modified all over again. So this way you don't have this error, but that is kind of stressful anyway, but that is the only way you can go about it. If you go through Google search and all of that, you won't find a permanent solution to this. All right, thank you. If you find this very helpful, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and have a wonderful time.